Today we're going to walk through the Mobile Inspection mobile application. As you can see here at the main home screen, you'll have a username and the ability to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, you can go ahead and log into the system. Once logged into the system, it will take you to your main home screen where you'll be able to see a list of inspections that are currently scheduled to you that have already been synced to the device. You can run a sync process to sync down any new inspections that have been assigned to you, as well as send back any information that's stored on the device. Mobile Inspection's mobile application is a disconnected app working fully off of sync processes, allowing you to go into areas with low to no connectivity and still complete your inspections. As you can see here, there are a number of scheduled inspections to myself. I could also schedule a new inspection here by clicking the New Inspection button. I can view upcoming inspections on the Upcoming tab. I can set app-specific settings on the Settings tab. To view and contact our support team, you can click on the Support tab, and when you're ready to log out of the system, you can click the Log Out button. I can begin working on any of the inspections that are currently assigned to me by clicking on them in this list. I also have a nice quick schedule feature here, which allows you as a company to set specific inspection types to the quick schedule module, which will allow them to pop up in these nice tiles and be able to schedule and begin working on within a single click. In this case, I can select a machine guarding audit. This will then schedule that machine guarding audit, take me directly to that to begin working on. So as you can see here, I've now navigated to that inspection to begin working on. It lets me know where that inspection is happening, the status that it's in, the percentage complete that it is, and the date that it was scheduled for. On the left-hand side, I'll see the list of all the questions residing within this inspection that I'll be completing as I go through it. I can click the Get Started button here to begin working on this inspection at any time. Once I've clicked Get Started button, it will now highlight the first question and display that here. In this case, it's asking for the line number or equipment ID name, in which I can enter here. Once I've entered the response, I have the ability to add additional comments or capture images. In this case, if there was a barcode identifying the line number or equipment ID, I could capture a photo of that as well. Once I've completed that question, I can click the Next button in the bottom right-hand corner or the right arrow in the top right-hand corner to move on to the next question at any time. Once I click the Next button, you'll notice that the question that I completed has a green check mark. The second question in which we're working on is now showing highlighted in blue. In this case, it's asking me to enter the calibration. You'll also see some help text here, which is referencing a specific code in which they are trying to calibrate this specific item to. I then have the ability to enter the calibration. Again, I could capture a photo if I needed to on this question, and each question within the system is customizable as far as the response types, whether you capture photos, whether you have the ability to capture comments, and more. Again, clicking the Next button once I've completed, I can continue working on this inspection. One of the things that you'll notice here in the menu of items on the left-hand side is all of these questions are linked together with a chain. That lets you know that it's in an item set. An item set in Mobile Inspection System is a set of questions that allows you to duplicate them as many times as needed on a specific inspection. In this case, when we're doing a machine guarding inspection, you may be checking the guarding on multiple machines on a single inspection. This will allow you to go through this detailed checklist for each one of the machines, all within one inspection. Just to show you how that works, if I navigate down to the 10th question within this set, when I click the Next button, it's going to ask if I want to add a new set of responses. By clicking the Yes button, this will now duplicate that set of responses, and so as you can see here, now I have a machine guarding number 2 with that same set of questions that I can respond to on my second or third machine that I'm working on. I can duplicate these questions as many times as needed based on the number of machines for this specific inspection. One of the things that you'll notice is each inspection, as you begin working on it, will have a green status bar that continues to grow based on the percentage complete that that inspection is. You'll also notice that next to the inspections that have been worked on, you'll have a cloud with an arrow pointing up, letting you know that there's data pending upload. You'll also see here on the left-hand side a clipboard icon, the comments icon, and a photos icon with numbers below, letting you know the number of items that are pending upload. Once you complete a sync process, these will zero out and all information will then be stored on the web. With Mobile Inspection's robust but user-friendly mobile application, you're sure to be able to accomplish all the needs of your inspections. To learn more about mobile inspection and its back-end management system, please watch our next video where you can learn about reporting, analytics, scheduling, and more.